So what is SEO hosting and why would it benefit you? SEO hosting is designed to benefit your search engine optimization. It provides all of your sites with unique IPs across the Class C subnet. This effectively allows owners to be able to host multiple sites on one platform that all look completely separate to each other with unique IPs and unique name servers. This will then make all of your sites look much more natural to search engines, therefore improving their rankings and mean that interlinking between one site and your other site will actually benefit you. In traditional hosting environments, you would normally have a shared IP for all of your sites and shared name servers, which means that search engines can now figure out that you are the owner of all of your sites. Therefore, interlinking and linking between your sites might actually affect you negatively for your SEO. Having unique IPs and name servers mean that you can have different looking sites all linking to each other, which then provides you effective SEO. SEO hosting mitigates this by providing you unique IPs, unique name servers, and the best thing is that it's all on one dashboard. The previous way of doing this is getting a site on one hosting, getting a different site on another hosting to make each IP and name server different. However, with SEO hosting you can host anything from 2 to 150 different IP sites on one dashboard, making it much easier to manage, making sure that you keep the benefit of linking with each other and providing the best SEO. This approach helps in building credible backlinks and improving the overall authority of your websites. And if you are looking for trustworthy and affordable SEO hosting, check out SeekHost. You can host anything up to 150 different IPs, all with unique name servers, all on one dashboard.